Imagine space like a giant lump of clay. This isn't just any ordinary clay, it's cosmic Play-Doh, teeming with the potential to become anything and everything. It's dark, it's dense, and it's full of potential. This cosmic clay holds the secrets of the universe, waiting to be unlocked. This clay is going to become everything we see in the universe: stars, planets, galaxies, and even you and me. Imagine the vastness of space, all starting from this simple, unassuming lump. But how does it all begin? How does this formless clay transform into the intricate and beautiful universe we know today? How does this formless clay transform into a universe full of wonder? The process is nothing short of magical, involving forces and events that are beyond our wildest imaginations. The answer, my friends, lies in a story that stretches back billions of years. A story that begins with a bang, but not just any bang, but the Big Bang. A story of an incredible explosion, cosmic dust bunnies, and the birth of light itself. This explosion set the stage for everything that was to come, scattering the seeds of creation across the cosmos. It's a story that scientists call the Big Bang. This monumental event marked the beginning of time and space, and from it, everything we know began to take shape. Are you ready to take a journey through time and space? Imagine traveling back to the very beginning, witnessing the birth of stars and galaxies, and seeing the universe unfold before your eyes. Buckle up, because things are about to get cosmic. We're about to embark on an adventure that will take us through the history of the universe, exploring the wonders of creation and the mysteries of existence. So sit tight and get ready for a cosmic journey like no other. Picture this, the entire universe squeezed into something smaller than a pinhead. That's how the Big Bang started. A tiny point containing everything that is, was, and ever will be. Suddenly, boom! The tiny speck exploded with unimaginable force. Space itself expanded rapidly, like a balloon being inflated. As the universe cooled, energy began to transform into matter. This wasn't your everyday explosion, mind you. It was the mother of all explosions, the one that set the stage for everything we know and love. After the Big Bang, the universe was a hot, dense soup of particles. Imagine a chaotic, boiling cauldron of energy and matter where everything was in a state of constant motion and transformation. This primordial soup was the birthplace of everything we know today, but gradually things started to cool down and clump together. As the universe expanded, the temperature dropped, allowing particles to slow down and begin to stick together. This cooling process was essential for the formation of more complex structures. Gravity, the force that makes things fall down here on Earth, played a crucial role. This invisible force pulled particles towards each other, creating the first seeds of structure in the universe. Without gravity, the universe would have remained a formless, chaotic expanse. It pulled the tiny particles together, forming giant clouds of gas and dust. These clouds, known as nebulae, were the cradles of future stars. They were vast, stretching across light years, and contained all the raw materials needed to create new celestial bodies. These clouds became so massive that they collapsed under their own gravity. As they contracted, the pressure and temperature at their cores increased dramatically. This process, known as gravitational collapse, was the first step in the birth of a star. The pressure and heat at their centers became intense, so intense that atoms fused together, releasing enormous amounts of energy. This fusion process is what powers stars, converting hydrogen into helium and releasing light and heat in the process. And just like that, the first stars were born. These newborn stars illuminated the universe, bringing light to the darkness and beginning a new era of cosmic evolution. These stars were like giant cosmic furnaces, churning out the building blocks of planets and life itself. Through the process of nuclear fusion, they created heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron, which would later become the essential ingredients for planets, moons, and even living organisms. The birth of stars marked the beginning of a grand cosmic journey, leading to the formation of galaxies, solar systems, and eventually the emergence of life as we know it. Section 4. Galaxies take shape. Stars didn't just stay scattered across the universe. Gravity continued to work its magic, pulling them together into vast collections called galaxies. These galaxies came in all shapes and sizes: spirals, ellipticals, and even irregular blobs. Our own Milky Way galaxy, a beautiful spiral with hundreds of billions of stars, is just one of countless galaxies in the observable universe. Imagine that. A universe teeming with galaxies, each containing billions or even trillions of stars. The scale is truly mind-boggling. Section 5, Cosmic Microwave Background. Remember the Big Bang, that spectacular explosion that started it all? Well, it turns out that event left behind a faint afterglow, like a cosmic echo. We call it the cosmic microwave background radiation. Think of it as baby pictures of the universe. By studying this faint radiation, scientists can learn about the conditions in the universe just a few 100,000 years after the Big Bang. It's like having a time machine, allowing us to peer back into the distant past. Section 6, Dark Matter and Dark Energy. Now, here's where things get really mysterious. Scientists have discovered that most of the universe is made up of stuff we can't even see. We call it dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter is like an invisible glue holding galaxies together. We know it's there because of its gravitational pull, but we don't know what it's made of. Dark energy is even weirder. It's pushing the universe apart, causing its expansion to accelerate. It's like a cosmic anti-gravity force that we're still trying to understand. Section 7, the universe, today and tomorrow. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old. From the moment of the Big Bang, it has been on an incredible journey of expansion and evolution. That's a long time. But the story of space is far from over. In fact, it's just getting started. The universe is a dynamic and ever-changing entity. The universe is still expanding and new stars and galaxies are being formed all the time. This continuous creation and expansion mean that the cosmos is always in a state of flux. What does the future hold for the cosmos? This is one of the most intriguing questions that scientists and astronomers are trying to answer. Will the universe continue to expand forever? If so, what will be the ultimate fate of the stars and galaxies that populate it? Or will it one day collapse back on itself in a big crunch? This scenario suggests that the universe could eventually reverse its expansion and contract. These are just some of the mysteries that scientists are trying to unravel. Through advanced telescopes and space missions, they are gathering data to understand the universe's past, present, and future. One thing's for sure, the universe is a vast and endlessly fascinating place, full of wonder and mystery. Every discovery leads to new questions and deeper curiosity. So keep looking up at the stars and never stop asking questions. The night sky is a window into the past and a gateway to the future. Each star, each galaxy holds secrets waiting to be discovered. From the swirling galaxies to the enigmatic black holes, the universe is a treasure trove of phenomena that challenge our understanding and ignite our imagination. As we continue to explore space, both with telescopes and manned missions, we are constantly learning more about the cosmos. Each mission brings us closer to answering the big questions about our place in the universe. And while we look outwards, we also gain a new perspective on our own planet. The more we learn about the universe, the more we appreciate the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. The future of the universe is a story yet to be written, and humanity will play a part in it. Whether it's through the establishment of space colonies or the discovery of new worlds, our journey into the cosmos is just beginning. So as you gaze up at the night sky, remember that you are part of this grand cosmic adventure. The universe today and tomorrow is a canvas of infinite possibilities waiting for us to explore and understand.